my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Today I bring this our brother from X, Simon Ekpa. If I anyhow I pronounce I beg, don't take am for me. Simon Ekpa, I go like no watch this thing. I know understand what they happen for East. We they cry, and the same thing we see they use our hand, they cost more. I know understand. Let's watch before we talk, please.
Regarding our fellow Biafrans, this is the second day of our 1 week long historic sit at home for the demand to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and of course in preparation for our Biafra self-referendum. I am sitting at home. When they tell you Simon Ekpa is in Finland, you know, I am sitting at home. This is me at home, and I will sit at home for as long as the sit at home lasts in Biafra land. Thank you very much for this historic moment that we are making in our Biafra liberation. Woto Woto, remain the code. And very, very soon, everything about Nigeria will be evicted from Biafra territory. Mark the word, evicted. These are the people who facilitate the murder of our people. These are the people who facilitate killings for our women and children. And we will no longer allow them to stay and sleep and wake up while they mastermind the killing of our women and children in Biafra land. So today is the second day of the historic sit at home, and I thank Biafran people for taking up this challenge and making this sacrifice for their future. Thank you. See you in the evening. I am sitting at home. Whenever you see that man with our phone sheet called Ifeanyi Oba, tell him that Simon Ekpa is sitting at home. My warning is going to receive it very soon. Thank you.
And those of you who never watch it, they happen for Southeast. So yeah, ask the Southeast people, because anytime I come, I'm not the pamper things we know they right. This thing where this guy they do for Southeast, so maybe they come more company, even we, for Naija Data here, for we to come Southeast, go do things now. We don't go like them. If one person can control the full Southeast, make everybody shut down, artists go shut down, no leader they talk, no like this to talk. Our company want to come there. You know, people now where they day into hunger now, they lost money because of this very guy. Now una dey there, una quiet. Una do like so, una know they see what they happen. Una if you say na they do Nigeria, the 5 states, like this guy now, they condemn, they go so. Later on in future, no company they give the contract and say, oh, Nigeria not like una, hey, like this, everything they Lagos, everything they like this. These are the things we make company, not they come. Go see data state now, will be like cemetery, worry don't go. I'm going to read this thing. Now the leaders that they talk to, but then Onyeze and the chief and the king and everybody, una go quiet. But you never reach jam, una don't jump, come and say, oh, they want to jam, oh, they want to. You never reach stupid thing, oh, they want to like. But now somebody, on our own son, they scatter on our own state. Una they look up like person we know they see. Things they scatter, they go. Because some of them will be the politicians and government, they pay on money, nothing consign on. But what about the poor people? If company not come there, a lot of problem go there. This is why gone the full everywhere. So all of them will leave the state later. When I say na Buhari is at. Now Tinubu is still okay like this. No state like this. If I dey talk now, they say, oh, you know what you're saying? No, Biafra, no, we will sit at. You are doing yourself. You cannot fight war like this. You cannot gain your independence like this. And they talk and they look me later. Later, this is what they talk. When I was saying a better thing. When I call on a Sunday to order. When I hear the stress on ourselves, innocent people. When I do, and federal government did this, that. When I visit federal government, they look. 5 states come out, they'll see do okay.
My people, I hope now see what I just showed just now. I will try silence some, I will remove some. What is our brother Rick talk? This mock news. I sign up and I in fact, I sign up. Because those things when those our brother for X they do so. They know they do and to government, to hurt government. Then they hurt our mothers, hurt our children, hurt our sister. I believe that guy when they do give that bike man, in fact, it just finished. Everything end there. And they burn am. We do dey that community. Children there, whether they struggle, they must come out in a day to sell before they go eat. They go, they scatter their property. Say all the must say they arrest Nnamdi Kanu, make they open am. If now one do all those things, now go government house, not be individual, not be poor. Jesus, in fact, I don't know what I want to talk. I don't know who I go talk to hurt. I don't know who I not talk to hurt. But see those things, watch those things. My mind spoil. In fact, I bleed. This one don't make sense. Just because of one person. Just because of one. If you want to protest, can't you now do protest with peace? Why people go stay at home in fact for 1 week? People go eat. People children go eat. Now not be abroad when government they pay. Whether you work, you not work, government go assist you. Not be abroad una day. And waiting news read talk say una dey destroy una own state by una say that is true. Now those poor people now they collect una di, now they arrest una, they wan ask una. Now those poor people when they scatter their property, now they be government. Now they be government. E get one boy when they just buy for this France. I know the two they carry France news. I know they carry him. One Arab guy when they buy. You know what they do? Now government thing now they deal with. They burn police station. They burn our La Poste, that is bank. They burn where would they pack the tea? I wish I'll film her. Maybe if I go ask, I'll go film her. They burn things. No be private. If not for private, government go pay. But Nigeria, which government they there when you want pay? Which government they there when you want pay those people things whether they burn? They don't know whether they government with this thing. They say it's good. Not fight blindly. If you fight blindly, you get one girl. This lady in the east. If you know her name, I beg. I mistake to follow her when I get one video when I watch about her. I love that girl. I love her vibe. The girl fair. She's slim. She fair well. But if she they talk, you they see some points. You they collect things to get your Biafra, to get your freedom. No be fight. She see they fight. Say they must get their Biafra. But when she they talk, no be for violence. Let's do it peaceful. Destroy people, mama things. Killing your own brother, killing your own sister. For what they don't know anything about, just because you say they should still sit at home. When you say make they sit at home, I hope you give them food to eat. I hope you pay their school fees. I hope that full week when you say make they sit at home, so say you provide food for them. I hope you do one. As you they destroy people, see small people they cry. Now they destroy mothers things. They don't see life before. They don't suffer before. If something can happen to now they do quite bad, they will say witch. He just sleep or something just happened. They don't know that wait till I use na hand take cuts. Now market be government. Why can't you guys go na state government house? Now they do protest. Say make they leave una the canoe. If na real love am, they hold na the canoe. Una still they beat una self. Una still they injure una self by destroying people property, by beating children when they go school, by beating Okada man when suffer carry Okada to go look for money for his family or to go look for something to feed his family. Now una say saw they una leg. Now una see they add more injury upon that una saw. It's time for East. If you be one of them, it's time double think. Sit down. If you go get power to fit stop this thing, stop it. Let them stop it. If they want to protest, may they do protest peaceful. May they go government house. If now government they put anything when they put, they no pay me. No be innocent people. When they suffer come outside in a day, may they go look for daily bread to feed their children. Now they scatter their property. They buy people. All them must say, government not go to that place. Uniform may not there again. Things not going to happen for East again. At least government law not going just there again. Wait till our brother reads up. No, be careful. If you like to get one of our brother, whether Obi Kubana be, I don't know, Obi Chief Prince, I don't know one of them. He get what he go they build for East. This guy na East. He complain they Lagos. Many of na rich guy, rich brother, rich sister, they Lagos. They Abuja. They there. Those two one that they do so. Now they use what they pursue. Not be everybody like violence too. Not be everybody like quarrel. Not be everybody like hot. Not be say what they do. They not like say make they get them, but they don't need that in violence. They don't need that to destroy things. They need that in peace. But as now they do now they destroy, now they pursue now own brother, sister when supposed to invest put for that land. Now they pursue investor. Now they pursue them. Me una ba una say sit down double think. You this my brother, whether Simon or Simon. Remember so you there abroad. That house when you there, so that woman things when they throw away. If that woman get that kind of house, she not even come outside go they sell. If you tell her make she stay in a year, she go stay. Remember that house when you they stay so many women when they destroy their property, they don't get that kind of house. Remember that woman when they destroy their property so money when you get for account, remember they don't get them. As you alert, you're supposed to alert every state, 5 states. When you say they do sit at home, you're supposed to credit them. You're supposed to credit them. It's time government to come out to go and pick you. Anybody when you call for me, I'll come for you without your comment. It's time for government to go pick this guy. When they arrest and join down now the canon. When they make you, they do anyhow. See small people they cry. See mothers now they destroy. Now say injury down now. Now say they add more injury. To fight mother, widow go dead there. People when they don't get papa, get mama, when they by themselves they suffer, they dead there. To fight her now that you want fight. You don't know road to government house. You don't know road to Britain. Britain when join us together. London, what they call them? That bridge, Onitsha bridge, and now them two when they come call us Nigeria. Una not know there. When I go pay, tie rope for their neck when they join us together. Government property, leave the individual. This one don't reach to people to who get a social media and a voice. See things. They buy people every day, buy children, buy mother, just because of one person. For what? If that one person really love her, go to government house, go and fight. Go and fight. Carry yourself, come outside. Don't stay under that AC. Don't stay that house, you that Simon. Don't stay there, come outside. Can you carry that wiper when those people carry? You send them, but you them beautiful house. Those people see one way wear red rag. They shoot people, children. It makes sense to you. This one makes sense. It really makes sense. My people, me I enter for here. The thing pay me, that make me para like this. It pay me reach my bone marrow. Now make me para. If you want to get your freedom, no be to they buy your own brother, your own mother, your own sister. They add more injury to them. It don't make sense. Stay at home for 5 days. Time of COVID, government no as it takes solve it citizen. Nigeria, time of government, who know whether you they exist? Who know whether you they exist? Everybody they hustle on their own. Mother they hawk. Mother they set things, they hawk. You see mother every day put hawk something, tray for head. Now just they go there. They sit at home, you know do a wait big dicks. I beg if you like her, no drop comment, oh. No just drop comment. If you say what I talk, no message, no just drop comment, carry your comment come out. Just because of who now they can mother when they hustle with who now they can way get money, get million. Who you supposed to fight for? See your mother. They struggle to to make a children go school, to make her children go school, to make her children eat. Now go, they're going to destroy the property. Now government that they destroy. Go government house. If you now get to it, don't go government, I'm gonna go scatter government. Now this one I get to talk, my people. I'll meet you in my next video. If you they support those evil things when those people they do, I pray may all those things happen to you. Because if a mother come up for inside house, now because she or he not get food, mother when get money for account, and this guy when just lament, they talk for social media, so he gets money, he get food. But those mothers, our brother, our sister, mother, when they struggle, say, hey, I'm not sure they will catch me before they come, let me go home. If you never test poverty and you sit down, they talk to people, may God locate that poverty to you. So that if people they talk, will shut up your mouth. That guy get money for accounts. Now make it, they say, sit at home, my day here. Sit at home. Can he even stay in a week, he not eat? At least you go give people children money before you they pronounce those things. All of us, if you their community, you know people are poor. When we tell they not say they know it, you know they at least your face settle them. Before you they say stay at home for 1 week, you go and cut this my head. Nothing. You they say they stay now stay at home.
Nothing to discuss, cause I take win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the I no go